Imagine walking out into your garden in the middle of winter and still seeing blooms smiling back at you, soft colors dancing in the crisp air, gentle fragrances wrapping around you like a warm hug. Sounds magical, doesn't it? Well, it's absolutely possible, because today we're uncovering 10 perennial garden ideas that bloom all year long, bringing endless color and calm to your space. Welcome, dear friends, to the Golden Years Lifestyle Hub, a cozy corner where we celebrate life, beauty, and the simple joy of gardening. Whether you're a lifelong gardener or just beginning your journey, you're in the right place. Here, every video is made with your comfort, creativity, and gentle enjoyment in mind. If you love gardens that keep giving back, without too much fuss or heavy lifting, be sure to subscribe and join our growing community of garden lovers. Now, let's take a slow, peaceful walk together through nature's year-round masterpiece, your perennial paradise. Number 1. Roses. Roses, the timeless queens of every garden. They grace our world with layers of color, fragrance, and emotion that few flowers can match. From the soft blush of a morning bloom to the deep crimson of an evening rose, each petal feels like a whisper from nature itself. Modern varieties such as knockout and drift roses bloom repeatedly through the seasons, offering beauty with ease. They ask for sunlight, gentle pruning, and a little love, and in return, they fill your garden with elegance from spring to frost. For seniors, roses are more than flowers. They're companions through the seasons. Their blooms can brighten a quiet corner, lift the spirit, and turn any pathway into a place of peace. Whether climbing along a trellis or blooming in neat garden beds, they add a touch of timeless grace that reminds us, beauty can flourish again and again, just like the best years of our lives. Number 2. Lantana. Lantana is the cheerful spirit of any garden. A burst of sunshine in clusters of pink, orange, yellow, and purple that never seem to fade. This hardy perennial thrives in warm U.S. climates like Florida, Texas, and California, where it blesses gardens with blooms nearly all year long. Its vibrant colors invite butterflies and hummingbirds to visit, filling your space with gentle movement and life. What makes lantana so special is how little it asks of you. It loves the sun, tolerates dry soil, and keeps on blooming even when other flowers rest. For senior gardeners, it's a perfect low-maintenance choice that delivers high rewards, brightening your days with color and reminding you that joy often grows strongest under the warmth of patience and care. Number 3. Shasta daisy. The Shasta daisy brings a touch of classic charm to any garden, its white petals and golden centers shining like little suns on a summer morning. These perennials bloom faithfully from spring through fall, standing tall and cheerful even after rain or wind. Their simple beauty feels timeless, a reminder that elegance often lies in the purest forms of nature. In U.S. gardens, they thrive best in sunny spots with well-drained soil, spreading brightness through borders and pathways alike. For senior gardeners, Shasta daisies are both comforting and effortless. Once planted, they return year after year with minimal care, rewarding your patience with waves of fresh blossoms. Their steady blooms offer a sense of peace and continuity, a quiet promise that no matter the season, beauty will always find its way back to your garden. Number 4. Blanket flower. The blanket flower, with its fiery shades of red, orange, and yellow, feels like summer captured in a single bloom. It spreads warmth across the garden, thriving even under the hot sun and dry conditions. From early summer to late fall, these cheerful blooms keep glowing, wrapping the garden in color much like a cozy quilt. In U.S. regions with long, warm seasons, they're a true favorite for their resilience and endless vibrancy. For senior gardeners, the blanket flower offers carefree beauty that asks for very little in return. It doesn't mind missed waterings or less than perfect soil. It simply keeps blooming, bright and strong. Its constant color brings energy to every corner of the garden, reminding us that even in life's quieter moments, there's always room for a little more brightness and joy. Number 5. Salvia. Salvia, also known as perennial sage, is a graceful burst of purple and blue that dances gently in the breeze. From late spring to the first frost, Its slender spikes stand tall, adding texture and calm to every garden. Loved by hummingbirds and bees, salvia brings the quiet hum of life to your backyard, a living melody of color and motion. In sunny American gardens, especially in dry or drought-prone areas, salvia thrives effortlessly, needing only light care to keep blooming strong. For seniors, salvia is a peaceful companion, dependable, low maintenance, and endlessly rewarding. Its aromatic leaves and soothing tones add both beauty and serenity to your space. Once you plant it, you'll find it returning year after year, each season whispering a familiar rhythm of renewal, reminding us that grace often grows strongest in simplicity. Number 6. Daylilies. Daylilies are the joyful workhorses of the garden, blooming in waves of color that stretch from late spring through summer's peak. Each flower lasts only a single day, yet every stem holds many buds, ensuring that your garden never stops glowing. From soft pastels to deep crimson and gold, they paint the landscape with variety and life. These hardy perennials love the sun and can handle almost any soil, making them a dependable favorite across much of the United States. For senior gardeners, daylilies are a gift of ease and delight. Once planted, they return faithfully year after year, needing little more than sunshine and admiration. Their steady rhythm of new blooms brings comfort and cheer, gently reminding us that every day, no matter how brief, can bloom beautifully when cared for with love. Number 7. Coneflower. Coneflowers, also known as echinacea, stand proud with their daisy-like petals and bold, cone-shaped centers. Their vibrant shades of pink, purple, and orange bring energy to any garden, blooming from early summer until the first frost. These resilient flowers thrive in full sun and tolerate dry conditions, making them perfect for many U.S. regions. They not only brighten the landscape, but also invite butterflies and songbirds, adding gentle movement and life to your outdoor haven. For senior gardeners, coneflowers are a wonderful blend of beauty and practicality. They require little care, returning each year stronger and fuller, and their medicinal qualities have long been valued in natural wellness. Watching them sway gently in the breeze can be soothing, a reminder that strength and beauty often grow side by side, blooming steadily, no matter what each new season brings. Number 8. Black-eyed Susan. Black-eyed Susans are the golden hearts of the garden, bright yellow petals circling a deep brown center, glowing like miniature suns in the daylight. From midsummer to early fall, they fill the garden with cheerful warmth, even when other blooms begin to fade. Hardy and dependable, these Native American perennials thrive across most U.S. climates, standing tall through heat, wind, and even light drought. Their sunny faces attract bees, butterflies, and smiles alike. For senior gardeners, black-eyed Susans bring an easy kind of joy, vibrant, forgiving, and full of life. They ask for little more than sunlight and space to grow, yet they return year after year, stronger than before. Their golden glow brightens walkways, borders, and hearts, serving as a gentle reminder that resilience can be radiant, and that beauty often blooms best when it's simple and steady. Number 9. Lavender. Lavender is nature's calm in bloom, soft purple flowers swaying gently in the breeze, filling the air with a scent that soothes the soul. In mild U.S. climates like California, the South, or coastal regions, lavender can bloom nearly all year, painting the garden with both color and calm. Its silvery green leaves stay beautiful even when not in flower, adding a touch of elegance through every season. For senior gardeners, lavender is a treasure of peace and simplicity. It asks for little, plenty of sun, well-drained soil, and a bit of trimming, and rewards you with endless fragrance and charm. Whether planted along a walkway or in a cozy patio pot, it invites relaxation, quiet reflection, and the gentle joy of watching beauty unfold, one fragrant breath at a time. Number 10. Coreopsis. Coreopsis, often called tick seed, is a golden burst of sunshine that lights up the garden from early summer to fall. Its bright yellow blooms seem to dance with joy in the warm breeze, creating a sea of color that lasts for months. These hardy perennials thrive under the full American sun, especially in regions with warm, dry conditions. Even in poorer soil, they continue to flourish, spreading happiness with every delicate petal. For senior gardeners, Coreopsis is the definition of effortless beauty. It asks for almost nothing, just sunlight and a little care, yet it gives back endlessly. Its long-lasting blooms attract butterflies and smiles alike, turning every corner of your garden into a cheerful sanctuary. With Coreopsis, you can count on color that stays, season after season, just like the quiet joy of tending something that truly loves to grow. Let's take a peaceful stroll back through our garden of year-round beauty. Beginning with the golden Coreopsis at number 10, the soothing lavender at 9, the cheerful black-eyed Susan at 8, the strong and graceful coneflower at 7, and the radiant daylilies at 6. Then came the calming salvia at 5, the fiery blanket flower at 4, the pure Shasta daisy at 3, the joyful lantana at 2, and finally, our timeless favorite, the elegant rose at number 1. Each of these perennials offers its own special kind of magic, blooming across the seasons to fill your garden with color, calm, and life. So as you plan your next garden moment, remember, beauty doesn't have to fade with time. With the right plants, your space can stay alive and blooming all year long. If today's journey inspired you, I'd love to know which flower spoke to your heart the most. Share it below, and don't forget to subscribe to the Golden Years Lifestyle Hub for more gentle gardening inspiration. Until next time, may your garden stay bright, your hands stay steady, and your days be filled with blooms that never end.